right, those were just my original biscuit grands that I quartered. All right, I'm gonna move that to the side and bring in my bowl. And in my bowl, I'm gonna start with 1 can of our Libby's country sausage gravy. Pierce the can so that we can get this out easy. Beautiful, right in our bowl. All right, and now we're bringing back our biscuit quarters and we're gonna place our 8 biscuits right into our breakfast sausage. I did put on my food grade gloves so that we can keep this nice and clean. Next, I'm gonna come in with 1 pound of cooked sausage. Now, that gravy does have sausage in it, but it is never enough sausage for me and my family, so I'm adding a whole nother pound. Now I have 5 eggs that I scrambled already, and we're gonna go ahead and drizzle that into our bowl with our gravy, our biscuits, and our sausage. If you haven't been able to tell yet, we are making a breakfast. Oh yeah. And I like cheese with my biscuits and gravy, so I am gonna add this whole bag of triple cheddar Tillamook. You can grade your own cheese if that's what you prefer, but I love the Tillamook. Now we're gonna quickly season this. I have some black pepper, and we are gonna season this generously so that we can get lots of flavor in this breakfast. I have some sea salt. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt because I do think that like the eggs and the biscuits need a touch of salt. Of course, I'm gonna do some garlic powder because that's my favorite. Ooh, that pepper is gonna make me sneeze, but it's all gonna be worth it. Lots of garlic powder. This is a big serving, okay? So do not under-season it. Now we're gonna finish this off with some onion powder. All right, and I think this is about ready, and we have our gloves on so that we can just toss everything in that gravy, in those eggs, in those biscuits, in that cheese, and that seasoning. Look how beautifully it's coming together. Oh my goodness, this is the best way to do breakfast. I absolutely love how easy and simple this comes together. Now you can do a homemade gravy if that's your style. You can make everything homemade. You can even do the biscuits homemade. But I actually really love that Libby's canned gravy. I know it's not everyone's favorite, but I am a fan. All right, I think this is coming together pretty nicely. What do you think, babe?
I mean, it looks good. I mean, where's the biscuits?
Oh, yeah.
It's in there, right?
Yeah. Okay, and now we're gonna bring in our bundt pan, and you do need to grease this heavy so that our breakfast doesn't stick. Make sure you get the center. I'm using the butter pan, but you can just use regular butter and some flour, but do whatever works for you and your lifestyle. All right, that looks great. Now we pour our gravy mixture into our bundt pan. Our biscuits, our cheese, our sausage. Oh my goodness, you gotta make sure you get some in the front as well. Oh, this looks so good. 1 package of biscuits, 1 can of gravy, 1 package of cheese, 5 eggs. Not too many eggs, because you know they're costly right now. All right, I think I did a pretty good job distributing that. All right. And this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for 50 minutes. All right, so this actually was in there for 1 hour, so 10 more minutes than I said. We're gonna go ahead and serve this on our platter. Let's flip this. Whew. All right, kind of give it a little jiggle. It looks like it's gonna come out.
Looks like it came out.
Ooh. All right, we had a few pieces left on our bundt pan, but that looks incredible. It smells incredible. Oh my. All right, now I have some green onion here that I'm just gonna top this with. Obviously this is optional, but I think it's gonna add some nice freshness. Perfect. Now for the moment of truth. Time to dig into our delicious gravy, biscuits, sausage, eggs, cheese, breakfast. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. Oh my. I'm so excited to try this. Some of the biscuit, some eggs, Some of the sausage, the perfect bite. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is so good. You guys are gonna absolutely love this. You have to try it.